I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day video because I actually really enjoy watching other people's what I eat in a day. So I thought it'd be fun to do one myself. For today's breakfast, I'm just gonna toast a muffin and put some avocado on it.
Tommy's making the same tune. Heat up the grill and we filling up with the same food. She a 10 but she fitted with Adidas a size 9. Somehow it be feeling like we the same shoe. Damn, she really been buttering up the jam. Can me and you cuddle up with the fan blowing thanks. Yeah, I know you worry about the bitches who fan shows, but you was original, hands on it.
I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good, that's good.
There we have it.
'Cause I'm good.
To accompany my breakfast, I'm also gonna make a matcha latte.
And that's good, that's good, that's good, 'cause I'm good.
I could die like this. Pass me a tab, I could fry like this. Thoughts of the past, thought I highlight shit. My life's when the sunset, twilight shit. I ain't moving, I'ma lie like this. The rays bright all up in my eyes like shit. Chill, why don't you shut the blinds right quick so I could doze off, maybe die like.
And that's breakfast done. I'll see you at lunchtime. So now it's time for lunch and I'm gonna be making some homemade pizza. And I usually just use whatever ingredients I have at home. So let's go. So these are the ingredients I'm gonna be using. Got mushroom, frankfurt's cheese, tomato paste, baby spinach, red onion and naan bread. And I like to use naan bread for the base of the pizza because it's just a lot easier than rolling out the dough yourself. And it's also really thin, so it's not too filling. So you can just really pack on the toppings.
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. That's good. She good. We good. It's all good. I'm good.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. You know I get nasty. Uber ride in my house, I called a taxi. Yeah. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. Feel like I did too much, feel like I did too much. But let's get naughtier, all I need all of ya. I feel like I did too much, I feel like I did too much. I love this party, yeah, I need all of ya.
Okay, we're gonna eat now. See you at dinner time.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Jokes, it's not dinner time yet because we are gonna make a green smoothie.
First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear.
Hello. So now it's dinner time and my mum made this Thai dish called lana, which is like a gravy noodle.
Too much, I feel like I did too much. I love this party, yeah, I need all of ya. Since you've been gone, I've been just okay. I know you mad, you didn't see my way. Since I've been gone,
So that's pretty much all I ate today. Had a lot of fun filming this video and hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, please give it a like, subscribe, and until next time, bye!